Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you a method to remove the background of your video and change it to another one without using a physical green screen. You can then use it in any further video like a conference call on Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or use it in a whiteboard or lightboard tutorial with PowerPoint or OneNote. You don't need a green screen or any fancy equipment. You just need a webcam or some other camera wired to your computer. Before I proceed to show you what this means, let me show you a video of myself where I have changed the background. The video has been recorded recently, but the background was shot by me way back in 2015 September. The background footage is of Radhanagar beach in Andaman Islands. You can see me as if I am talking to you from Radhanagar beach, Andaman, whereas the reality was that it was just shot recently.
Video which you're seeing here now, I recorded footage on a green screen background, then substituted the beautiful beach view of Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
So what are we waiting for? Let's go to the PC where I'll show you how to achieve this effect. Let's get some free software to get started. So open your web browser and type in obsproject.com. This screen will open up. For those of you who have not heard of this, it is open broadcast software. It is a free and open source software for streaming, recording, and gaming. I use it for creating my videos which are of a complex nature like this one. There is a version for Windows, Mac, and Linux as you can see here. I have a Windows PC and I have OBS installed on it. There is a download link over here and you can download it and save it. After you have finished downloading OBS or already have it installed, navigate to the website webex.com. So this is the website, and you can, if you don't have an account, you can sign up for free over here. Webex is free to sign up for and to use. If you don't have an account, you can create one with your email and a password. Once you have an account, you could sign in. You could also use Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet to capture your video and change the background. I will be using Webex to show you how to achieve this now. Once you create an account, you will see to the left of the screen. I'm going to sign in now. Once you create an account, you will see to the left of the screen a Downloads tab. You can download the desktop app which I've already done and you can see it here, which I will be using today. The desktop app will allow you to remove the background from your video. You can see this Webex desktop app from the main screen, and this is what we will be using to capture our video and remove our background. To create a virtual green screen for the present purpose, open up Paint. Paint is a pre-installed Microsoft app. So if you don't know how to find it, just type Paint in the search box below and here it will come up. Open it. This is Paint. So here you have to choose a green screen, green color, and then use the fill bucket or fill icon. So there you have it. There you have a green screen. We will save this green screen on the desktop and call it green screen. Then we can close Paint. Then we need to bring up this WebEx, which you've already got it installed. Now we are going to start a meeting, but only for capturing the video. There you have it. You can see me in the video now. This is the original background behind me. Now I would like to change the background here. If you go to the right side of the screen over here, you can see an option. There is a dialog to change the option. Click on it. So you have all these options here. You can blur the background, you can add any virtual background in one of these, or you can have just leave it alone and proceed with the same background here. But I would like to add a background. I would like to add a background, and that would be the green screen which I've already saved now. So if I press on this, it will open up the green screen file on my desktop. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to add this as the background. There you have it. You have a virtual green screen behind you, and the already present background has been eliminated. Now we can use this green screen background further in OBS to use it as a part of a presentation or in any video as a full length video. Now that we have a green screen, I can key it in OBS and then change the background and use it with a PowerPoint presentation, or use it by itself as a full-fledged video to show more content. Now I will reduce it and open up OBS. In OBS, I'm going to create a new scene. We are in OBS on my desktop. I'm going to show you how to present a PowerPoint presentation with the green screen keyed out. To do that, I'm going to create a new scene at first. And after having created a new scene, I'm going to add some sources now. I click on the plus sign over there and select Windows Capture. So in Windows Capture, I have several windows here. I'm going to choose the Cisco WebEx meetings. So there we have it, my Cisco WebEx. Hello, it's me over here. And I'm happy with that. I'm going to say, okay, now that is my first Windows Capture source. I'm now going to edit this so that only the green portion is visible. So I move the press on the margins and press simultaneously on the green on the Alt key and move the margins inward from all four sides. I can reduce the size of the image. Now I can move it to wherever I want. I move it there. There's some excess space at the top. Reduce that. Now I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to key out the green screen here. To do that, I click on that, I select the Windows Capture and add a right click and I add a filter to it. So here in OBS, I can add a filter to it. I select a Chroma Key Filter, click OK, and now I have the green screen keyed out. The virtual green screen has been keyed out. I can play around with the settings over here, smoothen out the key, It seems good. So we just leave it at that. I'm happy with that. Otherwise, one can play around with these settings to get a perfect key. Now I'm going to add a PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to again choose Windows Capture, and out of all the windows over here, I'm going to choose my PowerPoint. Now I'm bringing in this PowerPoint presentation. Like before, I can size this PowerPoint presentation to as required. So there you have it. I have a PowerPoint presentation, and I have my talking head video now. I can go ahead and present this PowerPoint presentation. So COVID-19 treatment, monoclonal antibodies, math protocol for moderate to severe cases, repurposed drugs, vitamin D. Preventive drugs are bromhexine, zinc, vitamin D, quercetin, and thiamine. Visit www.Dr.A.K.Venkatachalam.com. So the PowerPoint presentation has gone off successfully. We can close it, save this PowerPoint presentation, and edit it and upload it. Next, I'll be showing you how to use this virtual green screen in front of a video background. This is a static background, PowerPoint. We can use it in front of a video background also. We can use it in front of an image also. Now, I'm going to substitute some video footage to my keyed out talking head video. To do that, first I'm going to add my talking head video. Like before, I'm going to add a Windows capture. I have it there. I have my Windows capture in OBS now. I'm going to size the OBS picture here. I'm going to choose it first, and then I'm going to size it according to the requirement. I'll remove all this periphery part. You do that by pressing the Alt key first and then moving the borders inwards. Press the Alt key, then move it. Now we can transform and fit to screen. So there we have a beautiful green screen behind that, and the canvas is big enough to allow us to talk in front of a landscape or any video background. So now I'm going to add a chroma key to it now. So I click on that, and I'm going to add a filter. Like before, we'll add the chroma key filter, and that will key out the background. Since it is going to be a video, we will just play around with it a little bit to adjust the background, see what is happening in real time here. So here, this is the real time. So we will improve the key little bit. Key color, it's a bit faded out now, so that's fine. Increase the contrast a little bit. So now I'm happy with that, and I have my talking head video. The green screen has been keyed out in OBS, and now I'm ready to add a media source. To do that, again I press the plus symbol in the source panel. I can add a media source here. I click on the media source. Media means video, and I have a folder of media on my desktop here. So I'm going to choose one of these. So there we have it, beautiful sea waves. So I'm going to superimpose my video over that, and now I've got a fantastic background. Let's add one more media source. Now you're going to have snowflakes like before. What a background this is. Snowflakes. So you see the possibilities are endless. You can loop these videos to play again and again and again, and you can give a continuous talk for as long as you want. Or you can have a movie itself play behind you, and it can be looped all the time, and you can record footage. So this method of green screening is very convenient, although it is not perfect. So that is all there is to it. Now, it is a valid question to ask whether you need a green screen at all if you already have bought it or you're planning to buy it. The physical green screening, if done properly by following the principles, will be definitely superior to the virtual green screen. Moreover, in that method, you will be saving on computer resources if you don't have a powerful computer. While creating this video, although I have a powerful computer, it has taken a lot of time and there are still some imperfections. So to know how to get a quick green screen, click here. I've also created another video where you can use a virtual screen from a YouTube channel. To see that video, click here. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, like and share it. Subscribe to my channel Madras Joint Replacement Center. Hit the bell icon after subscribing. I will see you in the next video. Bye.